Sometimes you only have a graph image, not the raw data file. It could be an oscilloscope screenshot, a figure from a research paper, or even a logarithmic plot. In this video, I'll show you how to extract real numerical data from all of them using ImageJ. First, download and install ImageJ on your computer. After ImageJ has been installed, download the file called figure_calibration.class. Copy this file and paste into the ImageJ plugins folder. Start ImageJ. You'll find it under Plugins, Figure Calibration. The first example is a screenshot image exported from an oscilloscope. Use the rectangle tool to choose a region inside the axes on the graph. Use the Figure Calibration plugin to enter the X and Y ranges for the selected region. In this case, X changes from -12.5 to 12.5, and Y changes from -200 to 200. Select the multipoint tool. Hold the Alt key on the keyboard and left-click along the curve. Go to the Analyze menu and click Measure. The data table is now generated. These data can be plotted using Excel or other softwares. The second example is a graph from a research paper. Use the rectangle tool to select a region inside the axes on the graph. Go to Plugins and Figure Calibration to enter the X and Y ranges for the selected region. In this case, X changes from 0 to 5, and Y changes from 0 to 80. Select the multipoint tool. Hold the Alt button on the keyboard and left-click along the curve. Go to Analyze menu and choose Measure. We now get the data table. Now we can plot the data. The third example is also a graph from a research paper, but it has a log scale on its vertical axis. Use the rectangle tool to select a region inside the axes. Go to the Plugins menu and select Figure Calibration. The plugin assumes a linear relationship between pixels and values. For the linear x-axis, enter the x range of the rectangle, from -5 to 5 in this case. However, for the log scale y-axis, we calibrate using the logarithm of the values, from -12 to -8 in this case. Select the multipoint tool. Hold the Alt button on the keyboard and left-click along the curve. Go to Analyze and choose Measure to generate the data table. We need to convert the y values in the table into real y values on the graph by calculating 10 to the power of y. Now we can plot the data. Thanks for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Good luck with your project.